Yo, it's your boy Capable King. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do royalty split on 1 RPM. So if this is your first time of watching video in my channel, please subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. And if you need any other thing you want us to make video about, you drop a comment on the comment sections. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into my desktop and I will show you how to do royalty split in 1 RPM.
When you log into your 1 RPM, you navigate down to monthly analysis. But when you log in first, the first place you see is just your overview. Then you navigate down to monthly analysis. You click it, you move to royalty share. It will display number of album and percentage you share. You come to track. As you can see, these are numbers of people I've shared my royalties with. So in this case, we have to add new person to our royalties. So we go to add new royalty shared. So when we click it, it open up. We go to select track, select the music we want to share. In my own case, I want to share on this song. Rotate. I click it and then I paste the link the link of the artist I want to share with. Paste. Then I write down my percentage 20 and I submit. And they say your invitation is ready to be sent. You say yes, and boom, it's been sent. And then click OK. So if you come down to share invitation and click, you see number of people I share my royalty with that I have not yet accepted it. So this is how to share your royalty on 1 RPM. So if you love the video, subscribe and comment on this video.
If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like and comment on this video. And don't forget, we have WhatsApp community where we share ideas and also connect with other artists. I will leave a link in the description of this video. You can go and check out the link. Thank you for watching my videos and I will see you in my next video.